Hey guys, it's Sally.EXE, part 1, Master of Puppets. Turns 1, go.
Hey guys, before this animation starts, I just wanted to give you a quick update as to why it's been taking so long for this animation to come out. If you don't want to hear it, you can just skip to the actual video, but I just felt like I needed to explain to you guys what's been going on. For the past 4 to 5 years, I've just been feeling sad all the time, just bummed out about everything to the point where I didn't want to go outside my house and interact with people at all. And recently it's been hitting me a lot harder. I just been getting more and more upset over stupid shit. And recently it's been officially confirmed by my doctor that I have depression, and I've been dealing with that to the point where I've almost completely given up animating. I've just almost stopped. But fortunately, I've been getting help for that. I've been getting medicated, and with the help of my friends, I've been feeling slowly recovering. But I've gotten back to animating, and I was actually able to finish it. But because I was dealing with all that shit, the animation is a lot shorter than I intended it to be. So I apologize for the length, but I just want to thank you guys for at least being patient and sticking by and staying subscribed to me. It means a lot. And Jessica and David and Renee, if you guys are watching this, I want to thank you guys for helping me deal with this. Thank you guys for sticking by me. You guys are my best friends, and I'd be nothing without you guys. So, love you. But anyway, enough babbling. Enjoy the video!
Ooh, I think he only has one eye now. Sally.EXE turn Amy into a puppet and started whipping every single part of her body up. And made Amy only had one eye. He lost his other eye from the right side, and now he only has one from the left. And then what happened to her is that Sally.EXE sewed his right parts back, and it turns Amy into a evil demon, evil spirit. You look so ugly. Well guys, are you interested in watching? Thank you, and goodbye.